Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George to you for a consultation regarding his persistent knee pain. He's been experiencing discomfort and swelling for several months.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George as soon as possible. Could you provide me with more details about his medical history?
Certainly. Mr. George has a history of hypertension and diabetes. He's also had previous knee injuries, including a torn ACL.
I see. Has he undergone any previous knee surgeries?
Yes, he had a knee arthroscopy a few years ago to repair the torn ACL.
Thank you for the information, Mihira. I'll review his medical records and determine the appropriate course of action. It's possible that the knee pain is related to his previous injury or a new condition.
I agree. A thorough evaluation is necessary to identify the underlying cause and develop a treatment plan.
Mihira, thank you for your patience while you wait. I understand it can be concerning when your child isn't feeling well. The clinic isn't too busy at the moment, and we have a good number of doctors available today, so you're likely to be seen very soon. The doctor will probably start with a quick examination, and if it seems like a breathing issue, they may be able to provide a treatment like a salbutamol inhaler right away to help your child feel better quickly. We'll do our best to get you in with the doctor as soon as possible.